When you're drowning in monthly payments, a debt consolidation loan can feel like a life raft. One simple solution to a complex problem. One payment instead of 5. A clear path forward. But what if that life raft has a hidden leak? What if it's a trap designed to make you feel safe while you're actually sinking deeper? In this video, we're exposing that leak. We're breaking down the debt consolidation trap, why it's so dangerous, and what you should actually do to take back control of your finances. The promise of debt consolidation is simple. Take out one new loan to pay off multiple other debts, like credit cards. The appeal is a single, often lower, monthly payment. But here's where the trap is set. First, it's a band-aid on a bullet wound. A consolidation loan does nothing to fix the spending habits that got you into debt. You get this huge wave of relief when your credit card balances hit zero. And what do people do with a wallet full of zero-balance cards? They start using them again. Now you have the new loan payment, plus you're racking up new debt. Second, there's the tricky math. To get you that lower monthly payment, lenders often stretch your loan from 3 or 4 years to 7 or even 10. Even with a lower interest rate, you could end up paying thousands more over the life of the loan. Third, you've turned unsecured debt into secured debt. To get the best rates, lenders will offer a home equity line of credit, or HELOC. But if you used it to pay off credit cards and then fail to pay the HELOC, you could lose your home. The stakes just went from serious to catastrophic, and it is critical to know the difference between debt consolidation and its much more dangerous cousin, debt settlement. Debt settlement companies tell you to stop paying your creditors entirely. While they try to negotiate a lower payoff, your credit score is torched, fees pile up, and you could even be sued. For most people, debt settlement is a treacherous path to avoid. So if consolidation is a trap, what's the alternative? Do the hard work that consolidation lets you skip. The first step is to pick a proven debt payoff method like the Debt Snowball or DebtAvalanche. With the Snowball method, you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum and get quick psychological wins. With the Avalanche method, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This approach saves you the most money and interest. The best one is whichever one you'll actually stick with. To fuel either method, you have to free up cash by cutting expenses or increasing your income. This is where a detailed budget becomes non-negotiable. Finally, consider talking to a nonprofit credit counselor. They can help you create a realistic budget or set up a debt management plan. DMP. A DMP works with your creditors to lower interest rates and combines your payments without requiring a risky new loan. The idea of simplifying your life with one easy payment is tempting, but a debt consolidation loan is rarely the magic fix it's sold as. It often hides the real problem and can lock you into a longer, more expensive cycle of debt. True financial freedom comes from facing the problem head-on, changing your habits, and executing a real plan. It's not glamorous, and it's not instant, but it is the only path that leads to you being truly debt-free for good. Liked what you see? Then please don't forget to subscribe to Ever Wealthy for more such solutions.